Josh has slightly wavy, healthy hair with medium texture, medium density. When styling, he likes his hair to look neat but not perfect. After starting with Scene shampoo and conditioner, Josh adds Scene Blowout Cream as a lightweight styler that offers control and heat protection up to 450 degrees. Spread blowout cream between palms and apply roots to ends using fingers to rake all throughout the hair. Josh uses his hands and the dryer to direct his hair into place using loose tension with fingers to stretch out the puffy areas and calm the natural wave. Scene Blowout Cream can be used on all hair types, and like all Scene products, it's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. Blowout Cream makes styling easy, with light flexible hold and a clean natural finish. Josh calmed the wave in his hair without overstyling, a quick routine to keep his hair looking professional, all without compromising healthy skin.